takes his pencil bright, ready now to learn and write. Numbers waiting on the page. Learning is a happy stage. Writing fun begins today. Number 1 stands tall and straight. Tony writes it looking great. Up and down with careful hand. Learning numbers feels so grand. 1 is easy now to write. Number 2 goes curve and slide. Tony writes with happy pride, tracing slowly line by line, making every number fine. 2 is fun to learn today. Number 3 has curves so round. Tony draws without a sound. Practice makes it look just right. Learning fills his heart with light. 3 is easy now to see. Number 4 has lines so neat. Tony writes it in his seat. Step by step he learns the way, getting better every day. 4 looks perfect on the page. Number 5 is fun to write. Tony tries with all his might. Curve and line come together well. A number story he can tell. 5 is shining on the sheet. 6 and 7 join the fun. Tony writes them one by one. Practice helps him one by one. Practice helps him learn with ease. Writing numbers